Yes, good morning children. Beta, in last period we have completed exercise 20.1. I have given you the introduction of that is chapter percentage. Okay, and question number 1 we have completed. Today onwards beta we are going to start from question number 2. See that beta, what was the question number 2? An environment awareness program was held for class 7th students. Out of 80 students, 8 were absent. Okay, what percent of the students were absent? Okay, see that what he is saying, out of 80 students 8 were absent. You have to find that the percentage of the student, what percentage of the students were absent. For it, what formula is there beta? Okay, number of students absent upon total students multiplied by 100. It is the solution. Okay, number of students absent multiplied by divide by total students into 100. He in question it is given that 8 students were absent and total number of students is 80 divided by multiplied by 100. 8 10 ja 80. Then this 0 and this 0 will cancel. How much will remain? 10 upon 1 is equal to 10. It will be percent. Okay, 10% students were absent. It will be your answer. Okay, now come to the next question. Now see that beta, same question is that Manisha father has 5 mobile set. Out of them 3 are out of order. What percent of mobiles are out of order? Same way you will do. What? Out of order mobiles, number of out of order divided by total mobiles multiplied by 100. See that number of out of order divided by total mobiles multiplied by 100. So what it will come? 3 are out of order, total mobiles are 5 divided by multiplied by 100. 5 2 ja 10. What is 23 ja 60. 60% mobile are what? Out of order. Out of order. Okay, so it's very easy beta. Nothing is difficult in this question. Then last question E part is that Amar bought 200 eggs, out of which 50 eggs broke on the way. What percent of the eggs broke? So this question how you will do? Okay, see that I am showing you question. This is the question. Okay, Amar bought 200 eggs, out of which 50 eggs broke on the way. What percent of the eggs broke? So what you will write? Eggs broke, number of eggs broke divided by total eggs multiplied by 100. That will be the percentage of the eggs broke. So in this way you will complete the E part of the question. I am not doing that part. One question I am leaving for you. That will be your homework. Okay. Now we are proceeding to the next. See that beta, exercise 20.2. It is first question. Estimate what part of the figure is colored. What part of the figure is colored? And hence find the percentage which is colored. How many part has colored beta? 2. Total part is 9. You have to find the color part. Okay, so how you will do? You will do colored upon total multiplied by 100. So in this way we will do. Okay, colored part is equal to, so right here, colored part is equal to beta 2. Total parts is equal to 9. So percentage of colored part is equal to colored upon total parts multiplied by 100. So colored is 2 upon 9 multiplied by 100. So it will be 200 upon 9. Okay. So 200 upon 9. Now write in percentage. Beta it will come 22.2%. Okay. Now see that the next question. Now see that beta B or C part of this first question in the same way you will do yourself, because some more figures are given there. So you just do in the same way. Okay. Now come to the question number 2. Write the following percentage as the fraction in the simplest form. Okay. For converting the percentage into the fraction, what we will do beta, meaning of this percentage is always divided by 100. Meaning of this percentage is divided by 100. So what it will be? 44 upon 100. Now divided by 2, because both of them they are even number. So what it will become beta? 22 upon 50. Still it is divisible by 2. So divided by 2 again. So what it will come beta? 11 upon 25. Now further cancellation is not possible. So this will be the simplest form of the fraction and it will be your answer. So in this way you have to do the rest of the part of the question. See that 67.5%. So what is the meaning of this? 67.5 divided by 100. Okay. Here we don't want this decimal. Again what we will do? We will remove this decimal also from here, and after decimal only one digit is there. So we will increase one more zero here. So what it will become beta? 675 divided by 1000. Now see that both are the number in if we will see the rule of the divisibility, we can see that this number having numerator having 5 at the unit place and here 0, it means both of the numbers are divisible by 5. So make them divisible by 5. Okay. So 5 1 ja 5 beta 5 1 ja 5. Okay. And 1 will come here, and 6 minus 5 1 7. 5 3 ja 15, 2 5 5 ja 25. Here 5 2 ja 10 or 2 more 0. Still it is divisible by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35, because 3 will come again, 5 will come down, 5 7 ja 35, 17, and 5 4 ja 20. So what will be a simplest form of the fraction? 17 upon 40, and this will be your answer. Okay. Now see that beta 0.015%. What is the meaning of this? 0.015 divided by 100. Okay. So here it is the meaning of percentage, means by this sign we have written divided by 100. Percentage means divided by 100. Now see that if you will see here 0.0515. How many digits are after decimal? 1 2 3. So you just remove from here and increase the number of 0. Okay, that much of 0 in the denominator. So what will be your answer question now? 15 upon 1 2 3 4 5 0. 1 2 3 4 5. So it is cancelled by divisible by 5. 5 3 ja 15 and 5 2 ja 10. 1 2 3 4. Now the further cancellation is not possible. So what will be your answer? 3 upon 20,000. Okay, and this will be your answer, because we have to write in fraction. Okay. Now see that beta E part of the question. Okay. 47 upon 100%. 47 upon 100%. So beta what it will be? 47 upon 100. This is, and percentage means again it will be divided by 100. So what will be your answer beta? 47 upon 234. This will be your answer. Okay. So what will be now? F part. Lastly, F part is that 4 1 upon 2%. So 1 upon 2% means beta 4 2 ja 8. First make it in a mixed fraction, in a improper fraction. Okay. 4 2 ja 8 or 1 9. 9 upon 2%. 9 upon 2% means 9 upon 2 into 100. Okay, so what it will be beta? 9 upon 200, and this will be your answer. Now see that beta, 15% of 550. 15% mean beta 15 upon 100. Of mean beta multiply of 550. Okay, so in this way you will do. Now see that, make it cancel. 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10, 0. Okay, so it will be 3 into 550 upon 20. So again make it cancel. So 55 into 3 beta, 3 5 ja 15, carry 1, 3 5 ja 15 or 1 16, 165 divided by 2. Now see that what will come. 65 divided by 2 is coming 82.5. It will be your answer. Now see that 1% of 2 hour beta. Okay, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to beta 60 minutes. So 2 hour is equal to how much minute? 120 minutes. So 1% means 1 upon 100. Of means multiply 2 hour means 120 minutes. Okay, we are doing in minutes. So it will be divide cancel. So 12 1 ja 12 upon 10. What will come beta? 1.2 will be your answer. Okay, now see that C part. C is 20% of 32500. So 20% means beta 20 divided by 100. Okay, of means multiply 32500. So these 20 will become cancel. Multiplied 2 5 ja 10, carry 1. Okay, 2 2 ja 4 or 1 5, or 2 3 ja 6. It is the 325 multiplied by 2, but this 0 is also in multiplication, so it will come and this will be your answer. Okay, now see that beta 75% of 4 kg. So what it will be beta? 75 upon 100. Of means multiply or 4 kg. Okay, so see that 25 3 ja beta 75, and 25 4 ja 100. So it will be 3 upon 4 into 4. 4 and 4 will become cancel. So what it will be? 3 kg will be your answer. So in this way beta, E part I am leaving one part as your homework, and on the basis of these questions I will give you some more question for your homework also. Okay, now come to the question number 4. Now see that beta, question number 4, find the whole quantity if 2% of it is 1600 liter. Okay beta, here in previous question whole quantity was given to us and we were finding 25%, 15% of that quantity. Here in this question what you have to given? Total quantity is given. Okay, so what you will do beta? 2% means 2 upon 100 of which we don't know, of X is equal to how much? 1600 liter, because whole quantity is given us 1600 liters. So what it will be beta? 2 upon 100 of means multiply into X is equal to beta 1600. So it will become 2x upon 100 is equal to 1600. So do the cross multiplication now. This will go here and 2x into 1. So 2x into 1 is equal to beta 1600 into 100. Okay, now see that it will be x is equal to 1600 into 100 divided by 2. Okay, so it will be 2 8 ja 16, 800. So x will be how much beta? 8 1 ja 8, and how many zeros will come in front of this? 4 zeros. So this much of liter, this will be the whole quantity. So if total quantity is 8000, if you will take out the 2% of that, it will come 1600 liter. Maybe you have understood what we have done in this question. See that total quantity is beta 8000 liter, and if you will take out 2% of that, what it will become beta? 1600 liter. Okay, one more question I am going to do. See that B part of the question. Okay, 30% of 30% of it is 580 kilometer. Okay, so 30% is 580 kilometers. So what is the total quantity, total kilometer? So what you will do beta, 30% means beta 30 divided by 100 of means multiply, it means we don't know, that is, it means that is unknown number for x is equal to how much, 580 kilometer. Okay, so how you will do, same, in the same way again you will do that. So it will become 30 upon 100 into x is equal to beta 580 upon 1. Okay, now it will be, make them cancel 0 and 0, so it will become 3x upon 10 is equal to 580 upon 1. Do the cross multiplication now. 3x into 1 is equal to 580 into 10. Okay, see here how I have done. Okay, this will come here and these two will come together. So 3x is equal to 580 into 10. So x is equal to beta 580 into 10 upon 3. Now make it cancel. 3. So beta make it cancel. 3 1 ja 3 2. See that whether it will be completely cancelled or not. So beta if you will make it cancel, it will come 193.33. So it will be 193.33 multiplied by 10. So it will come 193.3. Further 3 will come. So it will be your answer. Okay. So in this way it can be calculated. Now see that the next question. Now see that beta 40% of it is 500 grams. So how you will do, 40 divided by 100 of means multiply, it means we don't know what is that it. So it can be x is equal to 500 gram. Okay, so how you will do this, 0 and 0 will become cancel. Okay, so it will be 4 upon 10, 4x upon 10 is equal to beta 500 upon 1. So do the cross multiplication. 4x into 1 is equal to 500 into 10. Okay, so x you just keep here and this rest of the number will go in the division. 500 into 10 or 4 1 ja 4 will become. Okay, now make them cancel. So by 4 it will be cancel 125 times. So 125 into 10 it will come beta 1250 gram. 1250 gram, and this will be your answer. It means the total quantity is 1250 gram. If we will take the 40% of that, then it will come 500 gram. Okay, 40% of 1250 gram will be 500 gram. So in the same way beta, D and E part of this question I am leaving for you. You will do that questions in your homework. Okay, D and E part will be your homework part. Now see that beta, 150 runs scored out of 140 balls. We have to find that which is the best score by comparing their percentage. So how we will do beta? See that 150 runs. Okay, runs. A total balls is, total ball is equal to how much beta? 140. So percentage of score is equal to runs upon balls multiplied by 100. Runs are how much beta? 150. Balls is 140 or multiplied by 100. So make them cancel. Okay, 2 5 ja 10 or 2 7 ja 14. So what it will be? 15 5 ja beta 75. So 750 divided by 7. So how much it will come? 107.1. Okay, percent. Now see that still it is not completed. Or B part of this second part of the question is that 78 runs in 9 overs. Okay, so runs is equal to beta 78. Balls is equal to, we are comparing through balls. Ball is 9 over. You know in 1 over 6 ball are there. So 9 into 6. How many ball? 54 balls. Okay. Now find out its percentage. Okay. Find out its percentage. What it will be beta? Runs upon balls multiplied by 100. So runs are how much beta? 78 upon balls are 54 or divided by 100. Make them cancel. 27 2 ja 54 or 50 time it will be cancelled. Okay. See that whether further they are being cancelled. 3 9 ja 27 and 3 2 ja 6 and 3 6 ja 18. Okay. Now again it will not become cancelled. So it will come 27 into 50 upon 9. So beta after multiplication it is coming 1300 divided by 9. So if you will divide it, it is coming 144.44%. So you can see that now who is the best scorer. First one is 107.1 and is 144.44. So who is the best? This one is the best. So in this way, on the basis of the percentage also we can means recognize them or identify them who is the best one. Okay. So B part of the question is same beta. So B part you will do in your homework in the basis of same as I have compared. You will compare this part yourself. Okay. Now I am coming to the C part of the question. See that now beta 50 marks out of 75. So what you will do? Marks obtained upon total marks multiplied by 100 for the first one. Okay. Solution we are doing 50 marks out of 75. Second is another part. So we will do that part later on. See that now 50 marks out of 75 means 50 upon 75 or multiplied by 100. It will be the percentage of marks. Percentage of marks. Who is the best marks? See that now 25 3 ja 75 or 25 2 ja 100. Okay. So it will be beta 200 upon 3. So percentage of marks is equal to, it will come 66.66%. 66.66% after division. Now the same way do the second part beta. Marks obtained. Marks obtained is how much beta? 35. A total marks is how much? From how much marks he is getting? Total marks are 50. Okay. Now the percentage of marks. Marks is equal to beta. Marks obtained. Marks obtained upon total marks multiplied by 100. Marks obtained are how much beta? 35 upon total marks are 50 multiplied by 100. 52 ja 100. How much it will become beta? Percent sign you can put after that. Okay. After that percentage sign will be put. So 35 2 ja 70% marks will be. So who is the best one? Second one is the best one. Okay. So on the basis of that you can compare that who is the best one. Okay. So it will be the, so you can write that marks out of 35 marks out of 50 is more. Okay. So it will be your answer. So in this way beta, in today's class we are completing up to here till question number 6th. Till question number 5th. Okay. In the next class again we will start from the question number 7th onwards. Okay, till that, have a good day to all of you.